guys, and welcome back to my channel again. We're here today to do another weekly grocery haul. So this one is $153, so a little bit of a smaller looking haul, but let's go through it and I'll let you know what the plan is for the week. So to start with, I have 2 loaves of wholemeal bread, cream, stick of butter, some minced beef, chicken breasts, some more spreadable butter, zucchini, some seedless white grapes, brown onions, avocados, some unsalted cashews, I have some stevia, some diced tomatoes, some elderflower cordial. This is for some cocktails that we'll be making over the weekend. Hairspray, shampoo and conditioner, deodorant, some more tinned tomatoes, some apple and raspberry cordial, some unsweetened almond milk, bacon, and then I got some noodles, some of the Indomie instant noodles. I got 4 packs of these in different flavours. And then I also got a 24 pack of sun-kissed no sugar. So yeah, like I said, $153 this week. There was a couple of things that were unavailable, so I'll have to go pick those up. So that'll be another few dollars to add it to the list. I reckon they forgot my tomatoes. Yeah, I definitely ordered some tomatoes and they are not there. But the plan for this week is, menu-wise, we are going to be making a butter chicken, a bolognese pasta bake, and just a quick and easy fried rice. And yeah, we meal prep, so that'll get us through the next week. I did actually do a little trial this week and I tried putting the same items into a Coles online basket and then another with the exact same items into a Woolworths basket to see what worked out cheaper. Coles came in cheaper still by about $10 without delivery fees. However, considering the fact that they actually forgot some items and the other ones that they notified me about I didn't get, I'm still gonna have to go to the shops anyway. It does make me wonder whether or not I should just try Woolworths next time. Anyway, as always, I hope that you enjoyed this, and if you liked it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye guys.